first time here, welcome. My name is Grace, and in my channel, I'd like to inspire all my viewers, and I'd like to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly, and what turns out, what doesn't turn out, how I fix it, because I need you to know. In this channel, it's not about me, it's about you. If there is anything that you want me to do on this channel that I haven't already done, please leave me a comment and let me know. I would love to do it for you.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me.
Oh, this is so cute. My granddaughter makes me these and she just puts them all over the place. And it just says, I love you, Vavo, which is, I love you, Grandma. Oh, I love you too, Chloe. I painted this in one of my videos and I absolutely loved it. And it was supposed to go in one of my rooms in my other house. But because we were moving, I never did put it up. I have a video of this if you want to have a look at it. But I didn't want to get rid of it. I didn't get to put it up, so I thought I'm going to put it up in my new place. I love this shade of pink, but this shade of pink here is a little too bold for where I want it to go, that I'm going to change a few things on it so it can go in my new space, which will be in the office. I've got here Sherwin-Williams dovetail. So I want to incorporate some of the dovetail. And there you go. You can transform something that you currently have that maybe doesn't fit your lifestyle. You can transform it into something else and put it where you need it. This was a perfect example. Still kept the roses here because that'll still work where it's going to go. But I did change that gray and I can't wait to have this up and then we're going to show you. My husband took out the light and then we just held this up there to see how it was. And you know what? I think I wasn't happy with it. It was a little bit too dark. So now I'm going to repaint this gray in a white. And let's see how this turns out. Well, this is going to take a couple of coats because it's going over a dark color. So I may be here a while. This I bought at the dollar store or Dollarama for $4. And it's one of those little trays with herb pots. So I want to do something a little different with them. These are really adorable. Left the insides and the bottom. Now this is just regular house paint color, nothing special. So there you go. There's my inspired herb pots. In case you missed it, I got this little set here, including the tray at the dollar store for $4. Mackenzie Childs has them for $88. And they are beautiful. I wanted to try my own, and I think they didn't come out too bad for $4 versus $88. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.
Nobody told me to settle down. Late nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
I wanted a heat gun, but I didn't know if I was going to get much use for it. I didn't want to buy a brand new one, so I got this one on Marketplace. It seems to be an okay one, but you know what? For $10, I really couldn't go wrong with it. And it came with all these accessories that, to be honest, I don't know what to do with. I think you heat this up and then you scrape it. Not sure. But there's lots of things here that I don't think I'm going to use. Oh, this just goes on there. Okay. Whoa, that's pretty cool. I bought a pack of these napkins and I've had it for a long time. I'm going to try and do something with it. I'm going to cut it here. I thought, let me try it and use my heat gun. Now, if you guys are used to using heat guns, please let me know. I bought this Canto at the dollar store. And this is new to me, but it's definitely not new to YouTube, because this is not like one of my hacks or anything. I wanted to try it and I figured that we could do it together.
Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I settled down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Oh my gosh, I love it. And I did it in two different ways because I wanted to show you the difference. So this one here, I took off the double layer of napkin. I only used one layer of napkin and it came out really good. Not bad at all. And then this one, I used the double layer. And the double layer is a little bit too thick. You can kind of tell that there is sort of a napkin there. I mean, you know what? It's doable. You're going to burn it anyway. It's no biggie. But if you want it to be better, use just one layer. At the end of the day, I bought this for $10 on Marketplace. Bought the candles for, I think, $3 at Dollarama. And this was one napkin. So a total of, I don't know, $13, $16, and I will be using these over and over and over and over again, and I'll make probably tons more. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to be kind and always remember, you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. We'll see you next time.
You